Good evening, K-Quad. Here I got the Deng K60 quadcopter. I made a video earlier of the open box, and now I'm going to take the first flight of it. I broke in the motors, I charged the battery, and let's see how she flies. So sit back and enjoy the flight. It is windy, so let's take a ride over the water. Seems to fly well. Let's go. Okay. Let's go to right to expert. Oh yeah. There's no problem with the wind. The range on this is somewhere, I think, 150 meters. I'm going to have to do another video because it is windy. But this has no problem going through the wind. Cool. Very smooth flyer. Taking a chance going over this water. I just got it about 4 hours ago. All right. Let's see how she... Oh yeah. This flies really well. Wind is blowing. Okay, so let's see. Actually, the wind, big gust of wind up there. I wanted to bring it down. Oh, this is a great quadcopter. Okay, this is the Deng K60 quadcopter. I will do another flight when it's not so windy. So signing off, K-Quad.